want to tell you a little story. Sometime after World War II, the Japanese government hired an atomic physicist to look for a solution to their radiation-contaminated waters. And one day, after much fruitless searching, the scientist went for a walk and noticed a healthy, thriving tree growing from a giant rock, and he wondered, how could this be? With the local groundwater so contaminated with radiation, how was this single tree growing so beautifully? And when he searched the rock, he found a crack filled with a strange mineral deposit. And the scientists took samples and studied the volcanic sulfur ion material in the laboratory, and it didn't take long at all for him to realize that his discovery was truly an elixir of life. Now, actually, truth be told, this atomic physicist wasn't the first to discover it, only the first to research it. Rumor has it that ancient cultures in the Far East used to mix this miraculous mineral with water, and they called it the golden elixir, and drank it for health and vitality. You put that anomalous substance through natural action technology's special process of activating and refining, then you've got Minbiotics. Minbiotics is far more than your typical mineral supplement. It's the golden elixir that is also a natural water filter, ionizer, and is both antiviral and antibacterial. And as with all natural action products, Minbiotics mimics nature to bring water into its healthiest state. Much of the water on Earth is actually cleaned and filtered by volcanic plumes deep in the ocean floor. And likewise, the micro and macronutrient-rich volcanic minerals in Minbiotics cleanse your water of a vast range of different toxins or contaminants, including chemicals, pharmaceuticals, viruses, bacteria, heavy metals, and more. The ionic mineral compounds in Minbiotics surround the toxins and render them solid and inert. Even SARS, H1N1, and many other pathogenic virus and bacteria strains cannot survive in this water. Now you'll see when you mix Minbiotics with water, it immediately turns a warm golden hue, earning its ancient moniker, the golden elixir. And within a few hours, a fine ash of sediment gathers at the bottom of the container as toxins are pulled out of the water. Now because it's deactivated and inert, the substrate won't harm you, but regardless, there's no need to drink it. You just pour out the bottom layer when you're finished. And best of all, the resulting water is nutrient dense with a full spectrum of 80 liquid trace elements. Two-time Nobel laureate Dr. Linus Pauling once said, "You could trace every disease and every ailment to a mineral deficiency." And yet minerals are one of the most commonly overlooked aspects of nutrition and health. Even vitamins and other nutrients are useless without the right minerals to assimilate them. Now your body needs at least 60 different minerals to function perfectly, and Minbiotics has up to 80. Minerals enrich the aquatic terrain of your body, strengthening your immunity so that pathogens can't integrate or proliferate in you. Now, according to Dr. Ben Edwards, minerals are the most important part in the cellular regeneration process. When cells can't make energy or detoxify, it results in inflammation, and chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease, cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, depressions, and so many other serious medical problems. Minerals are truly a panacea for the body. And Minbiotics also makes a perfect solution for anyone with tap or well water who's still saving up to invest in a high-quality filter. It's also perfect for folks who travel a lot and want to make sure that their water is clean, ionic, and balanced wherever they go. Combine it with one of Natural Action's revitalizing water structurers for a well-rounded strategy for living, vibrant, mountain spring quality water and thriving, invincible health.